Hi guys and gals, Froggy here. You guys and gals are going to laugh, but I get excited over tires. These just got delivered. This is for my C6 Z06 and they will go on the stock rims, so they're not like hugely oversized tires or anything. They're the stock sizes, which are pretty good. These are the fronts. They're 275, where is it? 275, 35, 18. And these are the backs, and they are 325, 30 ZR19. And these, if you know anything about car guys and racing and tires, the freshness matters a lot. These were made in June, July, approximately, of this year. And the rears, I will have to flip them up and look. Okay, the rears are actually the 28th week of 16. So they're a little over a couple of years old. Froggy's not too happy about that. I am going to call Tire Rack and see if they can give me an adjustment or something on the price, because they shouldn't really be over 2 years old. Okay, anyway, not quite so excited as I was when I first started looking at them, but the fronts are great, and the rears, they'll be okay. I mean, there's nothing actually wrong with a 2-year-old tire. It's just that newer and fresher is a little bit better. Okay, see you later. Be safe. Have fun. Froggy out. Bye-bye. Okay, guys and gals, so here's the final word on the tires. I called Tire Rack and I got a price adjustment on those big ones for the back. So I am once again happy with this set of tires, and they're not run flats, so they are going to work pretty well on my Corvette. Oh, by the way, you want to see my Santa Claus and my snowman? Oh, those little bottom lights aren't on yet, but they've got the spotlights on them. Merry Christmas, Happy New Year. Froggy out.